Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are going to talk about cleaning. But we're going to talk about the cleaning that most people forget to clean. I mean, it's really easy to get into that whole groove of cleaning, and you're really going with the momentum, and then you get done, and there are still some things which you forgot to clean, and some of them are really, really important. Here's how this whole video got started. It got started because I looked at my dryer vent, and yikes, there's a lot of lint in there. Like a lot of lint in there. So I went and I bought a dryer cleaning vent kit, which would then just hook up to my vacuum cleaner, and hopefully it's going to clean out the dryer lint. I mean, we can try it out. It's really easy to do. It comes in several different pieces. You put them together, hook it up to your dryer, and let's turn it on and see what happens. Okay, I'll admit, I am vastly satisfied with that. Like, to the point where I actually cleaned off the dryer lint catcher thing. I don't know what it's called. So I cleaned that off. Didn't really need to do that because I always clean that off when I finished the dryer loads for the week. But yeah, that got rid of all the lint in there, which is very good because lint can be kind of dangerous if you don't take care of it and you let it build up in your dryer. I've heard that it can cause fires. In fact, I know it can cause fires with the dryer lint build up. And you need to not just clean out the lint inside your dryer. You also need to clean out the lint that's in your dryer hose pipe. Yeah, it's a pipe which goes outside. It's the vent pipe. In our area, we have people who come in and do that once a year, and they clean them out. So yeah, but it's one of the things that you need to remember. Another thing which a lot of people seem to forget until it's really nasty and horrible is your shower curtain. I mean, how hard is it to clean your shower curtain? One of the things that I found when it came time to clean my shower curtain was the easy part of, I have a shower curtain and I have a shower curtain liner. I just take both of those down, and then once they are down, I just put them in the washer along with a little bleach and run them through the cycle. Now, that's really good, and when I do run them through the cycle, I run them through the waterproof and bed linen cycle or sheet cycle, simply because it will throw off the balance of your washer if it doesn't know that, hey, this is going to have something which could retain water. So once it is already run through the cycle, I do something which a lot of people hadn't even thought of, which I thought was weird. So I take the shower curtain liner out, and I hang that over a shower curtain rod in my bathroom, in the laundry room, and then put the shower curtain into the dryer. Now you're wondering, well, why didn't you wash the other shower curtain? Well, probably because I live alone and no one else uses that shower. In fact, I have to occasionally turn on that shower to remember that it's there and make sure that the drain doesn't dry out. So yeah, that shower curtain is really, really clean. So once the shower curtain and the shower curtain liner are semi-dry, I put them back up and voila, nice and clean. That makes me very, very happy. Another thing that I like to do at this time of year, well, actually once a month, and all these things I try to do once a month, is I like to clean my the vent on my oven. So the exhaust vent where it sucks up all that fumes and everything, that can get kind of greasy if you're running it while you're frying something. That mine has a vent which has a filter which can just come out. You can soak it in a degreaser or you can run it through hot water. Mine was not greasy at all. Not sure why, but I did clean it with a stiff brush, cleaned it, let it dry, then put it back, and voila, we are in working order. Everything is really good. That makes me very, very happy. Another thing which I love, and I mean, I love this about my washer has a self-cleaning cycle. I highly recommend it. The cool thing about the self-cleaning cycle is that I can put this self-cleaning cycle on, and then it does the job. It runs through a very high heated cycle, which then cleans the inside of the washer. That means that I don't have to get down in there. And my washing machine is like kind of tall. I guess it's not, but getting down in there, you practically have to crawl inside of it to clean it out. This way, it cleans itself out, which is really, really nice. And it's one of those things that it's really easy to forget to do. You should also do that with your dryer. Just usually wiping down your dryer is usually enough. Now, the one which I always forget to do is the dishwasher. And I have seen like 50 billion different ways of cleaning your dishwasher. However, the one that I like to use is I put about a cup and a half of white vinegar into a bowl, put that bowl into the dishwasher, and then run a full hot cycle of the dishwasher. This seems to work really well. I mean, it comes out really kind of nice. A lot of people are like, but I don't really see much of a difference. Not much of a difference. But I think if I skipped this for a while, it could be a problem. Another thing that people have a tendency to forget to clean, office chairs. I am editing quite a bit. I'm at my computer quite a bit. So my office chair does need to be cleaned, wiped down, front and back, nice and clean. And it's a fairly new office chair, which does make me very happy. It's nice and clean. I try to keep it that way. This way I can make sure that it's dusted, it's all clean and everything. And then I can just throw the rags into the laundry and have them get clean. This is a system that really does work, and for me it really does work well. But there's something that just about everybody always forgets to clean. And you know what that is? Your cleaning implements and your cleaning bottles. Lots of people clean, and then once everything is clean, they put their stuff away, forgetting that the stuff that they've been cleaning with probably is dirty. It probably has the dirt that you've been, wiping off things on the handles, on those sort of things. You can very easily, I'm using just a Clorox spray, you can use whatever you feel comfortable with using as a cleaning thing, and then wipe it down all of your items, and then you know that when you go to get them the next time, it's not dirty. There are not germs on this thing from when you cleaned whatever it was that you cleaned before. And sometimes you're cleaning some sort of nasty stuff, and even if you wear gloves, I mean, it can very easily transfer to your cleaning items, which is sort of yucky. Yeah, yucky would be the word I would use. It's not something that I would like to have, spread around the house, and you don't think about how one thing that has been contaminated, I guess you would say, can then spread germs throughout your entire house. It can be very, very wild to just think about this. Now, there are the normal things which I'm thinking most of you do, like cleaning your doorknobs, your light switches, handles, those sort of things, cleaning things like your vacuum cleaner. Those are the things which I think most people are like, yeah, I know that I should clean the filter and those sort of things. But these are the things that I think it's really easy to forget. Your oven's going to scream at you if you don't clean it. Your microwave will let you know when it's dirty. Your refrigerator will also let you know when it's dirty. You can tell by looking at these things. But some of these things, it's so easy to forget to clean that it's something that you should probably consider doing. In fact, you might consider doing that now. Now, what I'd love to hear from you right now is, what have you thought of that you are always forgetting to clean, but then now you're like, oh yeah, I really do need to clean that. One of the things I can see right now, because I'm facing my front porch, is the light on the front porch needs to be cleaned. Looking up I won't show you because it needs to be cleaned. But yeah, it's really easy to forget to clean those lights and those sort of things. Those are stuff that needs to be cleaned. At this time, I'd like to thank these people who actually watch me once a week clean a part of my house. It is one of those fun things to do. It then helps probably remind other people to clean. They get the clean with me. They get a weekly vlog. It's a great place to hang out and see what's going on. So if you want to become part of the Patreon family, where you get that weekly vlog and you get these videos early, and we have discussions over there. You can see what's going on in my chaotic life. It's a great place to be, or you can join the channel members. If you're not interested in that, but you still want to help the channel, there's a great way. Like and share this video. This actually might be a great video to help remind people that, hey, there are things in your house that you probably need to clean. Like, soon. Yeah. So like and share this and let people, give them a little reminder to get things clean. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope that you would tell me things that, you are cleaning. Let me know down in the comments, and I hope I get to see you again the next time you stop by.